Hi guys, this is Sarva. In today's video, we will see how we can design a certificate using Canva. For those who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a graphic designing tool and it's a free software and that can be downloaded from canva.com. Coming back to the certificate, right? Certificates can be given by any institution for any purpose or any NGO or any organization or even individuals to other people as a token of thanks or as a token of recognition participating or completing many courses or any good job or achievement done by any individual or a company, right? Certificate can be somebody has completed a computer course or someone has done a very good performance in his job or someone has donated some money to a charity and charity wants to give a certificate of thanks to the other person. It can be for many purposes, right? So in this video we will see what are the types of different certificates and also we will create our own certificate for our purpose. Let's go guys. Let's go to canva.com. If you have already got an account, you can straight away log in. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account and log in. As I have got an account, I have already logged in. I am going to create a design and I am going to click on certificate, right? So we will create a certificate using Canva today. If you go to the left hand side, there are templates available. Canva provides pre-made templates. We can use them or we can start from scratch. So let us look into a few of them and see what is there in the certificate and we can pick up whatever is needed for us. Okay, let us see this one. Certificate of completion. This is awarded to Eleanor Fitzgerald for completing the course of study public speaking by the Guignard International Company. Okay, so head manager and mentor, the two people who can sign that. Okay, that is for public speaking course completion. Let us click on something else. Okay, tooth fairy certificate. Oh, this is funny, right? This is to certify lost the tooth on 6/1/2023. Okay. All right, let us see a few other stuff. Certificate of achievement. Okay, this certificate proudly awarded to XYZ for achievement in marketing business workshop. Okay, so even organizer and the judge, they are going to sign below. That is excellent. So depending upon what we exactly need, right? So we can scroll through different types of certificate. These are performance related certificates. There are certificates which are given when somebody completes a training or completes a course which is related to education, right? Stuff like that. That is fine. So let's pick up the top one. So this one, right? So we have selected this one, certificate of achievement, certificate given to XYZ for achievement in the marketing business workshop on somebody has below, written below, right? So if you look at the certificate, right, each element here is editable. This means we can retype, we can change the font, we can change the color, whatever we want to do, we can do, right? So certificate of achievement, we will leave it like that, and this name, right, I will change it to this is Sarva. This is just an example, guys. So certificate of achievement, this certificate proudly awarded to this is Sarva for achievement in, right? What we'll do, we'll change it to creating useful videos on education, right? In the year, in the month, we'll say maybe April, maybe May 2022, right? We'll leave it there, and probably this name we can change it to maybe John Miller or Saravanan, and you'll say next is we'll say that CEO and co-founder of Sarva Academy, right? Just an example, guys. So, and this one we can remove. There's no need that we should have two people, right? So this one we can take off. that is fine. And if you want to change this color, you can click and go here and look at some other colors if that fits in. No, this doesn't look good, so this one probably might fit in. Yeah, this is kind of okay. Then we can change this color also, like that. That is fine, and it's very simple. If you want to save this, you can go to File and click on Save. It is saved in Canva. If you want to download it, you can go to Download and click on this. There are various file types available: JPG, PNG, PDF, standard PDF, print, SVG, MP4 video, and GIF file. PNG is suggested, and we can go with that. I'm clicking on download. It is getting downloaded. So this is how it will look like. This has come nice. Similarly, any certificate you want to create, you can create. Right, so that is fine. We have downloaded. Now I'm going to home page. So we'll create a design and again click on certificate, and let us see a few more just to have a look, though we may not create. So let us look at this. What does it say? Say this is Tooth Fairy again, so we will ignore that. We'll see any performance related stuff is there. Right, so let us see this. So this is certificate of appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to XYZ, and it is written in some other language which I don't understand. That's fine. Okay, so here certificate of recognition, proudly presented to someone. XYZ has given a lot more to the company and was made an exemplary employee of this month. Okay, so this is basically for the best employer, maybe employee of the year, employee of the month, performer of the month, performer of the year, anything you can use this certificate for. See, certificate of participation, proudly present to Adora Mount Mini, appreciation for participating in the graphic design exhibition, design and creativity. Now you have got an idea what types of certificates we have got. See, another one just is to say thank you for donating books. This is wonderful. And blankets and medicines to improve the welfare of the people. Just a thank note certificate kind of stuff. So guys, you can go through these various, there are numerous certificates for different purposes available. You can just go and pick one and customize as you need it. If you want to start first from the scratch and you want to do it by yourself, you can do. We have seen this before. Just click on the design and click on certificate. You are getting a empty template, blank template. Then you can go and click on the text and click on add heading. Like I'm just giving an example. You can say certificate of appreciation, right? And you can move them to the top. These are examples only, guys. I'm just showing off how to do. What you want to do is absolutely up to you. If you go to the background on the left hand side, there are different colors. You can just click on some of them and see which one is suitable for you. Right, this is basically a certificate, so it should be bright, neat and clean. So I'm just trying a few colors. Right. So you can, on top of this, you can add some icon or your company logo and type whatever you want and simply save. It is as simple as that. Right. So if you want to search for some photos, you can go to photo and you say cup. I'm saying winner cup. Let us see whether something is available like this. Yeah, there's a cup there. So if you want to put a cup, you can put a cup here. Right. Certificate of appreciation, simply you can say. Right. And you can change the background like anything you want to. Okay. Certificates are generally white in color. That's fine. So you can say that you can copy this and paste it. To the Manchester football team for winning this month's trophy. I'm just putting an example, guys. right? So you can keep it like this. Maybe you can keep the size bit smaller. You can go there and reduce the size, right? So you can keep it, and okay, so then you can just copy this and paste, and you can say, so John Miller, I am just putting chief coordinator. So guys, this is just an example guys I am showing, right? So what you want to do, actually, for whatever the purpose you need, you can do it as you like it. That is perfectly fine. So I am just keeping it to the corner, and I am just going it to right. So I will just copy this, and I will paste this, and I will move on here, and I will say okay, I will say Christopher M, and I will say that chief coach. These are examples only, so that's perfectly fine. So now you can change the font colors and background colors, and anything you want to do, you can do. It's absolutely up to you to decide, right? So let's see anything more we can do. I'm just seeing whether any background will be suitable, which we can change and put. Okay, that's fine. So if you want to save this, you can save this, and if you want to download, you can download. You can play around and do whatever you want. I am just showing how to do. What exactly we want to do in terms of design, color, logos, it is up to you, right? So it is getting downloaded. So if we will download, so after download it would look like this. It's just in sample. On the left hand side, Canva provides an option called styles. If you click on the styles, there will be a few styles shown on the left hand side. So what it means that if you click on any one of them, the font color and the other background colors will be applied to what we have done on the right hand side, right? So if you look at the certificate, now it is kind of a black and white, except for the cup, right? So now I am going to click on this one of the styles, and we will see how our certificate changes. Okay, that is something called hammers. We'll click and see how it changes. You can see, right, the font, background color have changed. Then let us try some antenna. This is a style. I am clicking and the certificate comes like this. So there are various options guys. You can just go click and see how it changes, and whatever you like, you can just change it. If you want to increase the size of this, you can do, right? You can just press on this, and you can just align them to the left hand side, left align, okay, and then you can keep it to the front, right, and fine. If you click on this, now you can see the style has changed. I'm clicking on a couple of them. So basically you can try a few styles, and whatever you like, you can keep it. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please put your comments, please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon if you want to get notification whenever I release my next video. If you found the video useful, please put useful in the comment. Please let me know any topic you would like me to make a video and share with you guys. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy, love you all, bye bye.